I'm Claire Connerow with the Peters Company at Keller Williams, and we are here at 1701 Remington Road in Brookhaven, Georgia. It is districted for Montgomery Elementary School, and we are listing it for $389,900. It has 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, and then it has a partially finished basement. Let's go check it out. Here we have our main living space. It has fresh new paint throughout, original hardwood floors. And then over here we have an office nook with plantation shutters that will remain with the home. Here we have our bright white kitchen with vintage hardware, all new stainless steel appliances, and actually the refrigerator is remaining with the home. And then if you walk over this way, we have a breakfast nook that overlooks the beautiful backyard. Here we have our formal dining space with this new light fixture. And then over here we have a built-in shelving unit that you can feature your favorite dishes. Right off the formal dining area, we have an awesome screened-in porch, and it overlooks their beautifully fenced-in backyard. This master bedroom has brand new windows, a custom closet, and then its own personal bathroom. This secondary bedroom has great lighting, fresh paint, and it overlooks the backyard. This renovated full bath features marble tile flooring and subway tile in the shower. If you're looking for a place to escape, you can check out this partially finished basement and watch your favorite game or show.